your wedding was like, it was in the metaverse.
Yeah.
How did that go?
Okay, so it was in the Taco Bell metaverse. It was an Indian wedding in this Taco Bell in the metaverse. And you're like, why the fuck would you do that? And credit to my wife, Amrita, because she went along with all this crazy shit. You know me, I say yes to a lot of stupid stuff. And this was just another one in a long line of those examples. And in this case, Taco Bell had a contest about getting married in the Taco Bell metaverse. And I'm a fan of Taco Bell. People on my Twitter know that. So when they came out with this, a lot of folks tagged me and they were like, Sheel, this is for you. They saw that I just gotten engaged and they were like, this is perfect for you. You should do it. And so I was with my wife, my now wife, driving on a road trip. And I mentioned to her, I was like, hey, look at this. Just like casually like, hey, look at this. Wouldn't it be fun? And to my surprise, she said, yeah, all right, let's make the video. It'd be fun. It'd be like a fun exercise. So we took 20 minutes and thought about what we would say, and we stopped and recorded it. We actually only recorded it twice. We didn't think that much about it because we just thought it's a fun thing to do, but we're probably not going to actually submit it. And if we submit it, we're not going to win. And if we win, we're not going to do it. So, what happens? We get back from the trip, and I'm just like, let me just submit it, whatever. And then we get notified by Taco Bell that we've won. And then we kind of pushed back and said, hey, like, I don't know if this is for us. We don't want to get married in this Taco Bell metaverse. And then they were like, hey, just get on a Zoom call with us. So we got on a Zoom call with them, and they convince us. They say, it's going to be your wedding. We're going to do whatever you want. It can be Indian. We'll design it for you. And you're going to be part of the Taco Bell family. They said, you're going to be part of the Taco Bell family. And I was like, that's what I've always wanted. So we eventually did it. And it was really fun. It was in February.
What does it mean? So you sit in a room
Yeah,
on Zoom?
so you're sitting in a room with some of our friends were there too. And we're on camera. And there's this metaverse. It's in Decentraland. It was actually really cool. For a while, I was pretty skeptical about it. I've never spent any time in the metaverse. I'm not like a metaverse guy. But it was actually really, really cool. I rode it on an elephant. People from around the world were there. My family in India was attending. They have their avatars. It was actually really cool. It sounds really stupid. Actually, the day of, I was thinking this is cool.
And you say your vows through it?
Said our vows through it. Did everything. It was a legal wedding. We were legally married in this metaverse.
Was it quite emotional?
It was very emotional, yeah.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Did your wife like it?
Yeah, she loved it.
Do you get like Taco Bell credits?
We do. We have a lot of Taco Bell credits.
How many credits do you get?
I don't know. They gave me $500 for my birthday in Taco Bell credits, which actually Taco Bell gets you pretty far. They also paid for our honeymoon, $25K, which is pretty nice.
Yeah.
And they've been great.
What's your favorite thing from Taco Bell? Like we've just had Taco Bell like land in the UK.
Oh yeah.
I've never
Mexican
been.
pizza, big fan.
Mexican pizza.
It's amazing. Yeah, you'll love it.
This is a pizza.
Mexican food in the UK sucks, I have to say.
Oh, terrible. We don't have anywhere.
Yeah.
Have anywhere. We've got La Bodega Negra,
Yeah.
which is like nicer, higher end. We've got Oaxaca on the lower
Oh
end.
yeah.
Shit. No,
Shit.
I always wanted to do
Taco
it.
Bell. Taco Bell's great.
Me and my girlfriend bonded because we both wanted to open a Mexican restaurant.
Oh, amazing. It would do well.
And neither of us have done it.
Yeah. But anyway, it's not our only wedding. We both are married and are still planning multiple more weddings. Me and the same woman, to be clear. So we did this Taco Bell one. We did an India reception. We're doing Cleveland where she's from, Pittsburgh where I'm from, and then a big one in Mexico City. That'll be our friends.
I mean, that is amazing.